Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And we have here, it's a newer Toyota, what is this, Corolla, I think, yeah, 15, 16 or something like that. So there's a crazy code that I tried to research before, but I never found any information on this code. It's this thing B1650, and it was giving me, actually, if you go to, you need to scan first, of course, the car, the SRS module to see what the trouble codes are. This is the description. It's giving us a lot of airbag sensor, something open, circuit open, this and that. You can read this in detail if you need to. And we have the SRS indicator, then it could be floor wire, front seat wire, right hand, occupant classification system, SRS module itself. And then it's giving us the possible solutions, how to fix it. But technically, before you follow this, of course you need to use this scanner. I would advise you to go to live data right here and actually see what's going on with this. And as soon as I opened live data, I can see right buckle and left buckle. So the buckles are these things here, where you plug up your buckles or your seat belts, and you see right automatically it says unset on the left one, which is the driver's side here. It's the one here, and it says unset. And when I actually plugged it, so you can grab the seat belt like this and just plug it here like this, and you're gonna see what happens. It says set. So I'm gonna release it, and you see it's unset. So the left side is actually, driver's side is working, the right side is not, and it says not good. So what you can try is, just like me, you can spray some electrical connector cleaner inside here. So just like this thing, you can get it from Advanced or AutoZone. You can spray the buckle inside there with this, and then you can disconnect all these connectors under the seat, because they are responsible for all of these airbag sensors and this and that. The passenger occupant sensor under the seat, all of these, they connect to these connectors, and you have the airbag in the actual seat. I think it's these yellows is the airbags. This connector is the one that comes connected to the buckle. But spray all of them. After you spray them with this electrical cleaner, then you can use a brake cleaner, because a lot of times what happens is people will flood this thing with coffee or water or whatever messed up liquids they use, and it'll go inside. It'll mess up the actual sensor that lets the computer know that the buckle has been activated or not. It could be already shorted from what I see here, because it's not, it says not good. So maybe this was shorted. So if these don't work, if none of these shortcuts they don't end up working for you, which may be the case even with this car, we're gonna have to replace, or you're going to have to replace this buckle. As you can see, it's not hard to get. You have 14mm bolts here. This one here holding the seat, and this one here, I guess, just on this specific car, but you're gonna have to disassemble the seat and lift it up so you have access to these wires. And the buckle would be mounted down here, and it should have a bolt that's holding the buckle. Yeah, right here. Here's the bolt. That is the only thing holding this buckle to the seat. So you don't need to take the seat out of the car. So guys, we ended up changing the belt buckle. So the connection of the belt buckle is right here under the seat, as you can see, and it goes on the side there, right here. And it turned out that the code didn't clear, and then upon further inspection we found this module here, and when I turned it around, because I couldn't see it, This was on the top actually. This little tiny hole here was on the top because it clicks into this metal bracket there, so you couldn't see it on the bottom. The bottom was just this. So I decided to pull it out, and as soon as I pulled it out, there was a bunch of rust right here on this side, and we disconnected this module. You just need to push these clips here, and the module has these bolts right here, the 3 bolts. See one in the middle over there, one here, just Phillips screws. Open this cap, the cap will open, and you will see the electronics inside. Ours was enormously rusted, water inside obviously, and it had blown up the electrical components, the electrical circuit. So that's the actual final diagnostic and resolution of this. We're waiting on another part to replace, but this is what controls this occupancy. And as you can see, actually that's the description on this thing. It says passenger computer, the occupant detection, and that's on the specifically passenger side. We don't see this one on the driver's side. So once you replace this, you're gonna be able to fix that B1650 codes. Of course, you know, maybe in your case you may not need to replace the belt buckle. It depends. We replaced it anyway. Just they're cheap at the junkyard, and you know, this is the actual computer that controls this whole seat here, and the, you know, those sensors with the buckle and the weight sensor. So guys, we performed the repairs by replacing that passenger seat module underneath, and here we go. We have the right information back, right buckle switch unset, child, everything is fine with the passenger classification, and obviously we don't have the airbag light on anymore, as you can see right here. So that's the repair on this problem, B1650, with this particular vehicle. So if you got a quarrel with this thing, you definitely need to check your module under the seat, because it seems like this may be a common problem for some reason, because they have a hole on the top of the module that gets filled with water or humidity. And again, that's the repair. Everything's working now, all good. And you know, check the belt, check the module, most likely check the module first. Okay guys, thanks a lot again for watching. Please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.